One breezy autumn afternoon, little Riyadh decided to go on a leaf walk. She proudly announced to her mom, "I'm going to collect the most important leaves in the world." She marched into the garden with a serious face, holding a tiny basket. The first leaf she picked was a big yellow one. "This is the king leaf," she declared. Then she found a small green one. "This is the baby leaf, it cries if left alone." Soon her basket was overflowing. But then a gust of wind blew and all the leaves flew out. Riyadh chased them, shouting, "Stop! You're escaping from school." Finally, she caught one stubborn leaf stuck to her shoe. She looked at it and said, "Fine, you're the principal leaf now. You'll keep the others in line." Her mom laughed. "So, did you finish your leaf walk?" Riyadh grinned, "Yes, and I even opened a leaf school. Admission is free, but homework is compulsory." Leaf Walk by PivotAnimator using STK library.